This was $120 from Amazon, and this is easily my favorite part of the entire build. The brightness, the sound, the way it looks on camera, it just instantly makes the whole cosplay feel legit. For the belt setup, I went with a $40 buckle from Darman Props on Etsy and paired it with a $20 3/4 inch leather belt from Amazon. And honestly, this is one of the smarter parts of the build. The buckle looks solid, it reads well on camera, and going separate like this is way cheaper than buying a full pre-made belt. Is it perfect? No, but for the price, it does get the job done. For the pants, I just grabbed a $30 pair of black dress pants from Kohl's. And now we come to the jacket, the part that should really pull the whole piece together. The thing that really identifies this is Luke Skywalker cosplay. And this is where things fall short. The zipper and these silver buttons just aren't screen accurate to Luke Skywalker's look. And once you noticed it, you can't unsee it. I got this for $60, but most of the time it runs for $80 and sometimes even $100. And at that price, I just don't know that it's worth it. So total, I spent about $270 on this. And here's the honest breakdown. Lightsaber, totally worth it. Belt and buckle, good for the price and looks pretty good on camera. The jacket, I don't know if I'd go back for the jacket. It looks good, but those buttons and that zipper just do not look screen accurate. And if that's what you're going to look for, it's going to fall short. What's the one accuracy hack that you've used to avoid buying an expensive pre-made item? Let me know in the comments below. And thanks for watching.